In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue, a disappearing mouse cursor on Windows 10. If you've ever been in the middle of a task and your mouse cursor suddenly vanishes, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by following these simple steps, you can quickly get back to navigating your system with ease. First, let's try a quick method that often resolves this issue. Simultaneously press the Windows, Control, Shift, and B keys. What this does is refresh your display drivers. You might notice your screen flicker briefly, which is perfectly normal. This simple trick often brings your elusive cursor right back. If refreshing your display drivers doesn't immediately solve the problem, here's another step you can take. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Del together. This will bring up the security options screen. Check to see if your cursor has reappeared here. If it has, simply press the S key to return to your desktop. Sometimes this transition alone is enough to give your cursor the nudge it needs to come back. Now, if those steps didn't work, the next thing you should try is restarting your computer. Although it sounds elementary, a restart can resolve a variety of temporary glitches and might just be the ticket to restoring your cursor. Should your cursor remain missing, we'll take a deeper dive into your device manager. Start by pressing the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. Next, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. This will open the device manager, allowing us to take a closer look at the devices connected to your computer. Using the arrow keys on your keyboard, navigate down to mice and other pointing devices. Once there, press the right arrow key to expand the list of devices. You'll see various options related to your mouse and touchpad here. Select your specific mouse or touchpad device and press Shift and F10 to open the context menu. Inside the context menu, use the down arrow key to highlight Update Driver and then press Enter. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the driver update. Updated drivers can solve lots of problems, including bringing back your cursor. If updating the driver doesn't do the trick, navigate back to the context menu. This time, use the arrow keys again to select Uninstall Device and then press Enter. After uninstalling, go ahead and restart your computer. Don't worry about losing your driver permanently. When your computer reboots, Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary drivers during startup. By following these steps, your mouse cursor should reappear, allowing you to continue your work uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.